So how do you make time for your hobbies? Hey, this is Sharif and this is the college route where we get into things really quickly. We don't waste time like I'm doing right now. Let's talk about making time for your hobbies. Because at the end of the day, what's more important? Is it your grades or is it your well-being? Probably your well-being. Your studies are very important, but if you don't keep yourself in a good state of mind, then you probably won't live that long. Even though that sounded really dark, but it's true. If you don't take care of your mental health, you will probably burn out quickly. We don't want that to happen. So how do you make time for your hobbies in order to get a better mind, sort of? Because hobbies certainly help with that. The very first thing in order to get time for your hobbies is to actually organize your studying time. If you organize the studying time, then you can make time for your hobbies. So start with the studying time first and then look for your hobbies time. How I like to do it is with Google Calendar. I will probably book everything. But if you are new, I would suggest that you start by booking only the fixable times. Like, for example, your classes. You can't change that. So book those and then move on to other things. Like, this is my Google Calendar. I showed it on this channel multiple times because I'm really proud of it. Let's be real here. Now, this is the upcoming week. I have 4 midterms. 4 midterms, so it's a lot. But most of my weeks are not like this. Let's go to the previous week. As you can see, I have free time here, free time here, free time here, free time here, almost always free time at the end of the day. So yesterday, Saturday, it was mostly just free day. So this is how my week will usually look like. I'll have a lot of free time. That I like to have free time to do whatever I want. The upcoming week I have midterms, 4 midterms, so I have to be blocked like this. I have to be really busy in order to pass the classes. So after I booked the classes time, I can now see where I can fit maybe an hour for reading, an hour for playing football, an hour for sports, whatever you consider as your hobby. After you organize your studying time, you'll be able to find hobbies time. I will really suggest that you stick to your schedule as much as you can. After booking the classes, book your self-study time and stick to them as much as you can so that you can actually do your hobbies without feeling guilty. The second tip, waking up early, but this one depends. I know a lot of people that can actually work at night or can work at night or do things at night. For me, I am a night owl, but I don't do anything at night. I won't study. I will probably just play games or watch videos. That's all I'm gonna do at night. So if that sounds like you, maybe waking up earlier is better. For me, I hate mornings. I don't know. I hate them. But when I wake up early, I actually do things. Even though my mind isn't really focused in the morning, as people would probably say that if you wake up early your mind is gonna be sharp. For me it isn't, but I do stuff. When I wake up I actually do things because I woke up early. What else am I supposed to do? But when I sleep late, I will probably spend that time on the phone or just doing whatever nonsense. I won't work at night. So you need to figure that out. Can you actually work at night? If so, so figure out when you actually can do more work and then go with that. That way you will have more free time throughout your day without wasting it in social media maybe or something like that. The last thing is going to be find a hobby. That's pretty much it. Find a helpful hobby. Maybe playing tennis. I played tennis a little bit. It was cool. You can learn new skills like coding, building apps, building websites. If you're good at writing, maybe a blog. You can make YouTube videos, paintings. You can learn a new language, cooking, martial arts, playing guitar, whatever it is. Just find a new hobby in order to actually have a hobby, because many people don't have hobbies, right? I think most people don't, or maybe most people don't know what their hobby is. They have hobbies, but they don't know what it is exactly. So find out what your hobby is, or what your hobbies are, and experiment with new things. If you don't have ones, just experiment, whatever, do whatever. Okay, this is pretty much it. I hope I can see you in another video, or you will see me in another video. I won't see you.